Hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. If you're watching this, then you want to know how can you fix your leaky toilet, and we're actually going to do that today. If your toilet's running or leaking, I want to show you how you can actually fix that. You're just going to need a couple tools. You're going to need a screwdriver, big pair of pliers or channel locks, and then also a flapper and fill valve replacement kit. Make sure that this flapper is actually the one you need. I actually had to get a different one, but this fill valve will work today. I'll actually link this in the description as well if you would like to pick that up on Amazon. But we're going to go ahead and dive in and see if we can get this toilet fixed. Well, hey guys, I want to show you one common fix first. This little valve right here, this is your fill valve, has a screw on the top. Some might have a little screw right here on the side. But what this does is this adjusts this little floater right here, and that's actually adjusting the amount of water into the tank. You can actually just adjust that little screw right there, and that actually could be the fix for your toilet before you have to dive in and open it up or anything like that. So that could be a really common and a really easy fix for your toilet. So try that out and see if that worked first. If it didn't, we're going to keep going to step 2. Before you do any of this, you want to make sure that your water valve is turned off where the water is not running in there. Then you can flush your toilet, make sure it is flushed. And all the water that can get out gets out, and then also you can take a shot vac and go ahead and like suck up all the water in there so that you're able to work on everything we need to get done. And then we're going to jump into the fixes. Just another reminder, when you're doing this, make sure you have a bowl and a towel under there to catch that excess water, because you don't want that to get on your floor and anything like that. So make sure you have the bowl and the towel down there to help you out. Well, hey guys, the next easy fix is the flapper. If your toilet has a flapper like this, then you can just easily replace that. This just sticks down in there. This will clip onto the toilet, and this will actually hang on to this arm right here. And so you can actually easily replace that. My toilet is a little different, but I wanted to show you that option and this option. Mine has the big flapper right here, and then the seal down there in the bottom right there. And so that is a seal that you can change as well, and that might be an easy fix. Number 2, again, you just have to pop the old seal out and put that new seal in. When you go and look for your item, make sure you know your toilet, and then they'll actually tell you which seal you have for your drain right there. So that might be another easy fix, and then we'll jump into easy fix 3. So next you're going to replace your fill valve, and it's pretty easy as well. You're just going to take this nut right here off. You're going to take this nut off, and then you're going to take this top little piece right here off as well. And this will just pop right out once you take that off. And you can just put the other one right in, and I'll show you what it looks like once you've done that. Well, hey guys, this is what it should look like once your fill valve is out. You're going to get your new fill valve. Make sure your washer's on here on the end, this red part. And you're going to stick that down in there. You're going to get this other part right here, and you're going to push that in there and tighten it up. Hey guys, now that you've got this fill valve in there, you go ahead and put these hoses back in where they go. Pop this one back in, this little spout back here, and put this one right in there. Then you can actually put these nuts back together right here. Put this one with the fill valve, go ahead and tighten that one up. Use your channel locks a little bit, don't over tighten. And then also the one with your water, you can do the exact same thing right here. Go ahead and put both of those, and then I'll show you what to do next. Well, hey guys, now that we got this set, you can go ahead and turn your water on down here. And then everything should fill back up. When you got everything going back up, you can flush it and make sure everything works. I'd love to know which one of these 3 fixes actually was the best and what fixed your toilet. And if this video was helpful for you, if you could leave a like and maybe even subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, that would greatly help me out. Well, I hope you guys have a great day.